Hi there, and welcome to this video on how to quit smoking. Whether you've tried to quit before or this is your first attempt, you're taking an important step towards a healthier life. Quitting smoking isn't easy, but with the right mindset and tools, it's absolutely possible. Let's walk through this journey together. Smoking is more than just a habit, it's an addiction that affects both your body and mind. Nicotine changes the way your brain works, making it difficult to quit. Understanding your triggers, whether it's stress, social situations, or certain routines, is the first step in breaking the cycle. One of the most effective ways to start your quit journey is by setting a quit date. Choose a day within the next 2 weeks to give yourself time to prepare. Mark it on your calendar, and start reducing your cigarette intake leading up to that day. Remember, this is the day you take control of your health. Quitting smoking is tough, but you don't have to do it alone. Tell your friends and family about your decision to quit, and ask for their support. Consider joining an online support group or talking to a healthcare provider for guidance. Having a strong support system can make all the difference. Next, let's talk about triggers. These are the situations or feelings that make you want to smoke. Common triggers include stress, alcohol, and socializing with other smokers. Try to identify your triggers and plan how to avoid or manage them. For example, if stress is a trigger, practice deep breathing or mindfulness instead of reaching for a cigarette. Nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, can be a helpful tool in your quit journey. NRT provides your body with a low dose of nicotine without the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes. This can reduce withdrawal symptoms and help you focus on breaking the habit. There are various NRT options, like patches, gum, and lozenges. Talk to your doctor to find out what's best for you. Replacing smoking with healthy habits is crucial for staying smoke-free. When the urge to smoke hits, try going for a walk, drinking a glass of water, or practicing a hobby you enjoy. Exercise, healthy eating, and staying hydrated will not only help you quit but will also improve your overall health. Cravings are a normal part of quitting, but they don't last forever. When a craving hits, wait it out for 5 to 10 minutes, most cravings will pass. Distract yourself by chewing gum, doing a quick exercise, or practicing deep breathing. Remember, every time you resist a craving, you're one step closer to quitting for good. Quitting smoking is a journey, and it's normal to face challenges along the way. If you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself, use it as a learning experience and get back on track. Stay focused on your reasons for quitting, whether it's for your health, your family, or your future. Thank you for watching, and remember, quitting smoking is one of the best decisions you can make for your health. Stay strong, stay committed, and don't hesitate to reach out for support. Your smoke-free life is within reach.